Hi everybody, today we're going to review this travel bag by BGTREND. I got it on Amazon and I wanted something to carry my travel utensil tools or whatnots, knickknacks and things that I carry around for photography and video and whatnot. So this bag seemed to fit the needs, so I wanted it. So let's open it up and see what this is about. This bag came with some wire organizers as well, so just FYI. This bag is a travel bag that was a little bit bigger than the other ones. I wanted this one for a specific size, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So in this bag, you'll see that it's basically 3/4 zip, so you cannot zip it all the way like a clamshell. It's 3/4 zip, so that's a good thing when you have little things hanging around here, and it gets basically what do you say, floating around. So yeah, on the inside pockets here, where the bag meets, that opens up, it folds so you can open this part here. And these are pockets right inside. They're netted. There's two major pockets. One's bigger than the other. There's an example of a driver's license inside. Kind of cute, I guess. That's all there is. There's nothing on the inside of this area. And surrounding this whole entire travel bag is basically foam. It's lined with foam. It's like almost memory foam. It's pretty thick. It's about 10 millimeters thick on the corners or sides. On the back and the front, there's like basically a 5 millimeter foam, so you'll feel it, but it's not too thick, but it's thick enough. On the inside of the bag, you'll find 3 pockets. On the very inside is one giant pocket. So what I plan to carry is a few items. The main thing is this, my Kindle. I plan to put it in here, and it fits perfectly. Or my Kindle Fire here, and that fits perfectly, almost perfectly as well. Mine has a case, it's pretty thick. So I can actually put both, and it fits pretty good inside. So with that said, I can actually carry a lot more than that. There's a lot of room in here for more. You can put a lot of wires in here. I wish these pockets here had zippers, because when you flip something upside down, it's gonna fall out. And for a bag like this, it has a carrying handle here, but nothing on the bottom. So my intent was to have this in my backpack as well, to kind of modularize my packing system in my backpacks. That fits perfectly too. Definitely a good carrying bag, an organization bag for your needs. It can fit a lot of a lot of things in here, like 2 Kindles, one Kindle Fire and Kindle Notebook, or I forgot what it's called. Nonetheless, it carries a lot and it has a lot of space. Let's measure it. So the height of this is about 19.5 centimeters, which is about 7.5 inches. The length of this is just about 10.5 inches, which is about 26 centimeters. The height of this is 19 centimeters. Did I go over that already? Yeah, I did. So the width or depth of this is about, let's see, 6 centimeters, which is about 2.5 inches. So it carries a lot of space, and it can expand to something bigger, but that's the general size of this bag. This bag is geared toward the external batteries, your chargers and whatnot, wires, and anything bulky. And this fits my needs for being an external bag to modularize my backpack. Definitely a good buy. Definitely recommended. It's built good, looks good, and it's durable, and it's gonna last you a long time. Definitely a good buy, and definitely recommended. Hope you like this review, and thanks for watching.